Adab everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Alphabets to Words. In this series, we will learn the alphabets of Urdu along with the spellings and pronunciation of some of the words. Urdu is an Indian language spoken and understood by more than 60 million people just in India alone. Urdu is considered one of the two registers of the Hindustani language, the other being Hindi. Therefore, it shares more in common with Hindi than it does with Persian or Arabic, even though it is written in the Nastaliq script, which is a modified version of the Perso-Arabic script. Though it is a part of the Indo-European language family, it differs from most other languages in the direction it is written from. Urdu is written from right to left, whereas English is written from left to right. This may seem difficult at first, but don't worry. By the end of the series, you will get the hang of it. Now let's take a look at the alphabets. Urdu has the following 38 alphabets. In this lesson, we will learn about these 6 alphabets. So let's get started. The first alphabet of Urdu is Alif. Its sound is A. It is one of the 3 vowels present in Urdu along with Waw and Choti Ya. We will learn about Waw and Choti Ya in the upcoming lessons. In Urdu, vowels are known as Huruf-i Illat. Another version of Alif is Alif Madh. It is obtained by placing the Madh sign over Alif. This Madh allows the sound of Alif to be stretched. So now it sounds as A. Alif Madh A. Madh is always written over Alif and not with any other alphabet. Just like the Nikud system of Hebrew, Urdu has its own set of diacritics which helps the reader to pronounce words correctly. The first such set consists of Zabar, Zair and Pesh, together known as Harkat. Zabar is written above an alphabet and confers an A sound, Alif Zabar A. Zair is written under an alphabet and has an A sound, Alif Zair A. Pesh is written above an alphabet and confers an oo sound, Alif Pesh oo. The second alphabet is Be. It has a B sound. The third alphabet is Pe. Its sound is equivalent to P. The fourth alphabet is Te. It has a soft T sound. This sound does not exist in English. It's more similar to the French T. The fifth alphabet is Te. It has a hard T sound. And the sixth alphabet is Se. It has a S sound. Have a look at how these 6 words are written. Urdu is written from right to left and the alphabets of a given word are written by joining them together. In Urdu, alphabets can be grouped as connectors and non-connectors. An alphabet is a connector if it connects with the alphabet that comes after it and its form changes, and as a non-connector if it does not connect with the alphabet that comes after it and it retains its original form. Let's have a look at 2 such examples. We have taken the first 2 alphabets of Urdu, that is Alif and Be. In the first example, Be connects with Alif to form Ba, and Be is depicted in a truncated form. Hence, Be is a connector. In the second example, Alif does not connect with Be and both retain their original form. Therefore, Alif is a non-connector. So out of the 6 alphabets that we have learnt about today, Alif is a non-connector and Be, Pe, Te, Tay and Say are connectors because all 5 share the same basic form. And this is their median and initial form. All the 6 retain their original form when present in final position. Now it's time to learn a few words. Alif Be Ab, which means now. Alif Mad Be Ab, which means water. Alif Mad Be Aap, which means you in the formal sense. Always use Aap to address elders and people in higher positions and to refer to strangers regardless of age and position. Never ever use the informal tu or tum to do so. People will get offended. Be Pesh Te But, idle. Te Be Tab, then. Te, tat, which means coast. Te, pat, or path in English. Alif, paap, or sin. Alif Madh, Alif, apa, which means elder sister or self-control. If someone is referring to a woman or girl, it means elder sister. Or if someone says apna apa na kho, then it means don't lose your cool. Alif, baba. Alif, papa. Alif, baap. These three words mean the exact same thing, father. The first two are used by children to refer to their fathers. The latter is used when one says that he is their father. वो उनका बाप है. It's quite simple actually. Te alif be, tab. Glow. Alif Madh, te alif, आता. He comes or I come. Alif Madh, te alif, आटा. Flour of any grain like wheat or rice. Be alif te, baat. Talk or topic. Be te alif, bata. To tell. Pe zabar te alif, pata. Address or to know something. Pe zer te alif, pita, which means father. See how Zabar and Zer change the meaning of the two words even though they have the exact same spelling? Say alif be te, sabit, which means stable or to prove something. In the next lesson we will learn about these alphabets along with Tashdeed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Till then, Khuda Hafiz.